Welcome to the new MSC Nastran 2012 release. This new release expands real-world behaviors by giving users access to nonlinear simulation and event chaining, as well as significant performance gains. The new 2012 release consolidates MSC Nastran and MD Nastran into a single solution. All advanced nonlinear and multidiscipline capabilities from MD Nastran are now available as optional add-ons in MSC Nastran 2012. Through an optional module, users can simulate nonlinear problems including geometric, material, and contact nonlinearities. In this release, nonlinear convergence robustness has been enhanced with a new adaptive stepping procedure and a number of predefined settings that are tuned for mildly nonlinear to fully nonlinear models that make it easier for linear analysts to get reliable solutions in nonlinear modeling. MSC Nastran 2012 also makes available an optional module that enables engineers to solve explicit nonlinear problems. These capabilities are primarily focused in the areas of impact, fluid structure interaction or FSI performance, multiphysics, and support enhanced material models appropriate for explicit event modeling. Simulation times are greatly reduced for FSI analyses like drop testing of fluid-filled plastic bottles, fuel tank sloshing, and airbags through distributed memory parallel solutions for adaptive Eulerian meshing of the fluid volumes. A new thermal capability is introduced in this release to deliver improved multiphysics robustness. Now users can simulate coupled thermal structural analysis, thermal contact, thermal materials, and thermal loading and boundary conditions. With this release, all MSC Nastran users can now access linear contact modeling, which supports 3D touching contact in linear statics and glued contact for linear statics, normal modes, and dynamics. The new defaults make 3D contact easier to set up and provide modeling efficiencies when working with assemblies, especially with distributed teams because it allows glued contact between mismatched mesh surfaces. Lamina stresses and strains, failure indices, and strength ratios have been enabled for frequency response, transient response, and random vibration simulations. This gives more insight into composite structures since failure occurs at the ply level. Several enhancements are made to MSC Nastran's acoustic analysis capabilities to help users achieve higher efficiency. We now include an efficient single-step approach to the solution of interior or exterior acoustics problems and have implemented a more efficient participation factor analysis exploiting parallelization. Panel participation factor analysis is extended to structural domain responses, and a new function to compute and output element sensitivity for acoustic responses, along with a new function to compute the particle acceleration on wetted surface were added. Frequency-dependent trim component and pressure load matrices from Actran can now be included in NVH models. The MSC Nastran 2012 release simplifies aeroelastic modeling by allowing you to define aerostructural coupling by referencing only the regions on aerodynamic surfaces that participate in the blends and define the depths for the overlapped regions. MSC Nastran 2012 will then automatically determine the aerodynamic and structural grids that are within your defined depth and add them to the relevant splines. Automated Component Modal Synthesis, or ACMS, is enhanced to better utilize all available processing power on a multiprocessor system or on a cluster of multiprocessor systems, enabling users to improve the solution efficiency of large modal frequency response analyses. Other solver enhancements include improvements to unsymmetric matrix solution and a new implicitly restarted Arnoldi method, IRAM, for complex eigenvalue solutions. In addition, MSC Nastran now takes advantage of graphic processing units, or GPUs, to improve solution efficiency. For certain problems, this feature has shown overall performance improvements of up to 5 times. With numerous multidisciplinary FEA capabilities in one solver, MSC Nastran 2012 brings more value to your design and development process through improved efficiency and higher productivity. We hope you enjoy this MSC Nastran release. Please visit nastran.mscsoftware.com for more information.